The importance of building sustainable healthcare facilities. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. Explore the importance of sustainable design in healthcare facilities, including LEED certification, full transparency, and using recyclable materials. Sustainable projects can help contribute to leadership in energy and environmental design, or LEED points, if you have a project that's going for LEED certification. It applies across several categories within the LEED system. The current version, it can impact on-site renewable energy, recyclable, minimizing waste at a project site, and energy efficiency. All of these are credits within LEED, and the way you put together your exterior glazing can have a big impact on the final results of LEED and points gained. Also, product material health has been a big topic of discussion in the industry over the past few years. During this time, multiple chemical hazard lists have been distributed that prohibit the use of what is considered highest chemical of concern to human health, or COC. Transparency labels, such as you see here, cradle to cradle or declare, these are all put together by a manufacturer. They can either be self-declared material list, or they can go to a third party to have it evaluated. But each of these lists the types of material ingredients in the products and discloses their percentage. And if there's anything that's considered red list, it would have to be called out here. Or if you're looking for red list free products, declare labels will list the complete ingredients of everything in there. And anything that would be considered harmful has got to be called out. Many green rating projects are looking at recyclability of material too. Recyclability is a very important characteristic for waste minimization. Recycling for aluminum is one of its best qualities. Aluminum is 100% recyclable without degradation of the material, which means that aluminum framing can be recycled over and over again. It is one of the easiest materials to recycle. The majority of these sustainability programs are looking at utilizing recycled material or life cycle of the material, having a plan for what to do with the material when it's through on a project site. So with aluminum, if a building is ever demolished and material taken off of it, aluminum can be recycled right back into the market at the same level it pulled out. So aluminum curtain walls can be reclaimed from a building, recycled, and go back into another building as an aluminum curtain wall. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.